Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to play Roblox without downloading it. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, the question is it possible? Okay, does playing the game without the Roblox player works? Well, technically, yes, but it's not safe, alright? I'm not going to be showing you how to do it in an unconventional way, which can compromise your account. But instead, I'll just explain to you how to play it the normal way, or how Roblox wanted us to play the game. All right. For PC, all you need to do is just open up a web browser. Now open up roblox.com, right? Roblox.com. And once you're in here, all you need to do is just open up a game or select a game, maybe this one. And then next is just tap on play. Okay. This is the only moment you need to go to the website. Okay. As when you tap on play right here, the Roblox player will just download. Okay. Just click on the download button right here. And Roblox player here on your desktop will be available. Okay. You don't have to do anything on the browser. Just select any game you want here. Select the game, just hit on play and enjoy. Okay. Now, if you're using a mobile device or a tablet, okay, you can just go ahead and straight up go to your App Store or Play Store and look for the Roblox app. And then once done, log in, play a game, and enjoy. All right. As you can see here, when I go ahead over to the files or the Roblox apps directory, open file location right here. Versions, this version, properties. As you can see, it's only 266 MB. Okay. Why not just play the game inside your computer or phone, which is much safer, as this is how Roblox creators wanted us to play the game. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.